Ang sweet naman ni Bianca. Bigay ni Bianca. Sweet. Lippy's favorite ni Bianca. Ano to? Bigay naman ni Daph.
Ito si Daph. Ako wala.
Anong bibigay mo? Alcohol. Hangover. Lysol. Crunchy. Sweet. After 1 hour sa immigration, na kami sa carousel. Nakababa na lahat ng bags eh, sobrang tagal. Tapos huwag niyo iwawala yung boarding pass niyo kasi doon yung baggage tag. Kailangan nila yun bago ma-release yung bag. Oh, doon na store para same spot to pick up. So, we'll see you today. Bye.
Dark na.
Light with Mars. Ang dark ko nga rin kanina sa plane eh.
Welcome to Vietnam.
So yung gagawin mamaya.
Oh
Gosh, di ba lang natin pinag-iralan kung anong greeting dito?
Wala, all first timers.
How do you say hello in Vietnamese? How do you say hello in Vietnamese? Hello.
Hello, Vietnamese.
Same?
No. I don't know.
I don't know Vietnamese. Hello?
I don't know English.
No, okay, I understand. It's okay.
Love is Saigon. The heat is on the Saigon.
Ayoko na.
I'm shy.
Meron ba tayong itinerary para may push natin tong si Bianca into a fling?
Luggage tag? There, over there.
Okay, you just go first.
Okay.
Can I have your room?
Doon sa mirror.
Dito tingin.
Video to. Video to.
Dito talaga tayo tatambay kasi wala tayong
Bagay ka talaga sa hotel nito.
Uy, ang ganda naman ito.
Ganda.
bar outside our room. Microwave. Fruits, cupcakes. Coffee maker. But dalawang coffee machine not working. Oh, not working.
No, this is just water. Ice, water,
Oh,
ice.
sana pala nag-refill ako ng coffee.
Oh, I have tumbler. Yeah.
Meron din ako.
I'm assuming we'll go together. But in case just...
Nagka-mirror na naman. Bang, dang, or die. Bang, dang, or die. Bang, taught him.
Arabi ka?
Never papasok.
Tapos pag tinanong, ano yun?
Bang, dang.
Ganda nung...
Feeling ko peso. Peso to be. Try natin.
Easy. No, they accept USD into it. Right? USD and...
We're thinking since this is a mall,
Baka pwedeng credit card.
Yeah, they do.
So, dito kami ngayon sa Saigon Mall. Ay, ito yung nasa TikTok. Ito yung nasa TikTok. Oo. So, hahanap kami nagkakaiwan. Ayun. Oh, ito yun.
Yan.
Yung isa, wala na. Go, ano yung isa? Go house. Gogi house.
Ito, salad. Ito, this one. You guys.
Ha?
2 bowls or 1 bowl is enough?
Pwede two. You wanted this? Ano?
Yeah, the salad. The pomelo salad. And then the mussel. Okay lang sa inyo, guys.
1 million.
Yeah. Do you want one fried squid?
Ayun, bilis.
Or sayote. Kamote, sayote. Chatel.
Harap.
Coconut salad.
Sarap.
Parang. Ay, hindi. Patis. Yun yun. Same consistency kanina. Ay, oo. Same consistency. Parang yan. Yan yung sausawa natin kanina sa... is ito yung mga pabigat natin.
Yes, been from at the H&M entrance.
Lead.
I am coming here, like, I will wait for you. H&M entrance.
So, ito yung mga nabili namin today. And try namin mga yan maybe today, tonight, or tomorrow morning para bumili na ng pasalubong. So, we are gonna try mga binili namin. If masarap, first, salmon flakes. Baka pwede to sa rice. Or, so, parang siyang maho. Ay.
How was it?
Hindi ko bibilin yan. Parang maho. Pero,
Like better?
okay lang. Pwede pang lugaw.
I feel like salty. It's pretty good.
Ano pakita? Konti
I'm
lang.
shy. I'm camera shy. Hi everyone! Welcome to Lisa's vlog. Day in the life of Balikbayan. Eating dried squid.
Pwede na?
Interesting. Yeah.
Pwede pang masalubong?
If they like spicy.
Pag
But how
walang-
much is it?
Wala na.
I would go for the patis. You're still awake?
Tumatawa pa sila. Parang spam.
What you wanted was one in the bamboo.
Buo siya. Oh. Ay, wala pa ng to.
Stopper.
Diba? Parang ulam.
We can always come back. Because it says luncheon meat.
Pate. Wait.
Luncheon meat. When I translated it using Google, it said luncheon meat.
Okay lang ba kainin yung luncheon mo niluto?
Yeah.
Ganun ba yun?
Process na.
Kakain ka pa? Close ko na.
As someone in the culinary industry, tasting.
Cheers.
Cheers. Batis sisters.
Same ba?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay.
Good job. And for only how much?
53 pesos.
50 pesos.
38 pesos. 38 yata,
38 pesos.
Good morning. So, day 1 full day yesterday yung flight namin. 30 to 45 minutes going to our hotel. Medyo madaming stoplight. So, medyo matagal din. So, nakarating na kami sa hotel ng 5 p.m. So, dinner na lang ang nagawa namin. And after dinner, nag-ikot-ikot kami ni Bianca. Ang hotel namin sa Fusion Original at Saigon Center. So, ito ay nasa taas ng mall, nasa taas ng Saigon Center. And at the same time, katabi niya yung Takashimaya Mall. So, it's a Japanese department store. Conversion dito, mas mura talaga pag GCash. Nasa times point 0021. Nakapagpalit kami sa Manila. And medyo mahal, 0.0035. So, pag convert namin, medyo mahal dahil nga mahal yung conversion namin. So, yun. So, today, baka sa museum kami. Museum, and then ikot-ikot, book street, magta-try coffee, and then shopping. So, yun. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa cafe apartment. Magko-coffee. And then, magsa-shop. So, today is dress day. Ayun na yung cafe apartment. 7 minutes from our hotel. Walking. Dito kayo sa left side. Walking. Kita ba? Ayan na, no? Ayan na, dito, picture. Ayan, no? Picture. Ayan ba?
Malapit ko na kayong kainin.
Tara.
No, yung coffee.
Tatawid ah. Let's go. Oh, that says the box there. Hindi pa, buglayin pa yun. May bayad ang elevator, so kailangan mag-stairs. O, so paano makita din natin kung ano siya?
Mura lahat dito, pero may bayad din lahat.
Diba? Old building lang, pwede nga ito gawin sa Ongtin eh. Sa mga Chinese buildings.
Sinarado mo ang tunay na beef.
Ha?
Baka may alam ko sa'yo doon, di ba? Yung building kung saan ang tunay na beef.
Ang tunay na beef? Walang
Ay, kinakainin naman ni Edwin eh. Turo-turo.
ganda mag-picture dyan. Yung mga ganun ikaw.
Saan natin sila? Ayan po, okay.
Wala, sila naghahanap. Hanap tayo ng magandang picture spot. Kaya nga yung mga ganti kami tao kasi nape-pressure ako
O
sa
yan, wala na. Wala na, hindi ka na. Bing.
Ito na. Oh, madam.
Okay.
Madam Kuyen.
Ito, walang view. Saigon Oil.
Oh, mukhang okay.
Si Bibs. Kaya, meron ko din. Baka mas mabaho dito.
Ah, Meraki talaga yung madami.
Where's the?
Kaya. Nawala pa si Da? Oh, dito maganda.
Now.
O, yan, ganda dito, babes. Tayo ka dyan. Tapos,
Oo nga.
Yeah. Saigon Cafe. Anoy. Get one more. O, sa ibang restaurant, order ka ulit.
Saka pa. Ang daming coffee place. Kaya nga coffee hopping.
Oo.
Nasang instant coffee? Hindi ba instant coffee lang to?
What's yours?
Egg coffee. Egg. Gusto mo try? Wala naman lagsa.
this is for atang legs.
Di ba instant? Oo.
I-ask for the smoke yesterday. Ilong shop.
Ang nakakaangan, hindi sa libon sa'yo. Sumuha ng buon. Para
Pwede ko yun.
ka ka. Hindi ka sa akin.
Oo nga. Wow.
Ano yan? Ay, sweet ball?
Done, coffee. Punta na kami sa Warren Nuts using Grab. So, 12 minutes from here. So, papunta na kami ngayon. Back to the hotel. Waiting for our grab. And then, kakain kami sa 4B's. One of the best pizza daw dito sa Vietnam. Daming tao. Kailangan pala mag-bar-serve dito. So, nag-pre-order na kami. Mukhang masarap. Daming mga choices of food dito. Again!
And I like this restaurant.
Hindi, may ano sila.
Guys, may wipes sila. And sanitizer. I like this restaurant.
Hi, for today's video, nandito po kami sa 4B's.
Yes,
Yes, Tagalog. Tagalog.
Sa mga madlang tao. Ito daw ang pinakamasarap na Japanese pizza.
Ay, Japanese?
Japanese sister eh. What about Vietnamese? Yeah, but we're Vietnam. But she said it's like, if you want to try like legit Japanese pizza. That's
Japanese pizza? There's no legit Japanese pizza ka? Ginaya lang din ng Japanese sa Italy. Kasi hindi lang Italian and French.
Cute. Baka hindi malamig masyado.
Ano na yung pizza? This one?
Bestseller.
Soy beef, diba? So, Vietnamese inspired. So, walang stoplight dito. Tatawid ka lang whenever.
Correct. Any bangga?
Ano sa Saigon Center? Parang Changi.
Hello. Hey.
Sandals na nga. Dami naglilinis sa sapatos. So, sandali lang kami para lang siyang Green Hills. Walang mabili, mahal. Puro bege. Hotel namin. Kukulit ng mga vendors. Go picture ka lang. Video? Mamaya, shine niya yung shoes ko. One of the top seller din ng Nescafe na coffee.
89,000.
Based on ChatGPT. Ito pala yung pinupuntahan, parang IKEA nila. Oy, ayan na oh.
Ito, beefs.
Milk ah.
Coconut cappuccino.
Ago.
Bumili na kayo nito. 59,000 mura. Dalawa lang sa akin. One for the Valencia, one for the Aquinos.
Sige. That's coconut coffee. Can I try?
Yeah. Coconut. Thank you. Ang sarap.
Mars, magkano bili mo? Mura. Ito?
Hindi, ito.
79.
45 dun. Sa baba.
Kasi mukhang mahal naman dito eh. Milk lang to eh. Ito, condensed. Here we go.
Chocolate! I'm gonna get chocolate and original!
Ano ba
Alin ba yung okay na brand?
Yan, Vina Milk.
Ito daw yung...
Vina Milk. Any Vina
Ito
Milk.
yung original.
Yes.
Tapos
17,800. Parang mura lang.
Magkano ba yun?
17,800.
Chocolate. Bigay ko sa pamangkin.
17,800. Dito ka Lisa, 38 pesos. Totoo ba yun?
Magkano? Is same?
Yeah.
Oo.
Condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
Ayun.
Pag ano, lalo na pag
Sa bread.
Singaporean bread.
Sa bread.
Diba? Sausaw.
Ano nila yun sa bread.
So, ito with butter. Ito without. Ito yung mga nilalagay nila sa bun. Sa butter yan.
Parang ito masarap.
Oo.
Wrap salad, 65,000. Sarap.
Pork. So, dito mo lang pala siya makikita sa supermarket. Bakit yung chili niya parang ano, 49? Try muna natin small. Mamaya hindi masarap.
Kapag tulog ako. Tingnan nga natin kung may palaman to. Sige. Pero kasi nahihirapan ako sa aking periodicals.
There's the ham chua.
There.
Elise Edward.
Nem chua. Ito yung matagal kong hinintay. Hinanap ko pa to sa Manila kung saan.
The best haggling skills for a good deal on clothes, souvenirs, and more at the famous Wantan Market. However, I would also recommend Saigon Square Market for better quality items and the air conditioning. 6. Vietnam has a huge cafe culture and you need to see amazing. There are 8 things to do in Ho Chi Minh City. Number 1, clean, cheap, delicious, and a stash of Ho Chi
Kunin ko yung mga
Minh
wine glass.
The verdict.
360-degree view of Saigon from the tallest building at the famous Wantan Market.
Sobrang puno.
I would also
Ikuha natin sa
recommend
baso.
Saigon Square Market for better quality items and the air conditioning. 6. Vietnam has a huge cafe culture and you need to see amazing views
verdict.
like the
Nem
Coffee
chua.
Cafe, Try
After how many months of craving.
Pink church and the beauty of its Gothic architecture. 8. This is the Saigon Central Post
Side
Office
view.
to send a gift postcard or buy some souvenirs. There are 8 things to do in Ho Chi Minh City. Number 1 is most important, and that's to eat everything from street food to restaurants and everything in between. Cheap, delicious food options are endless. 2. Run through the famous cafe apartment, an old 9-story apartment block
Kulang
now
sa
a
garlic
collection of
siguro.
cafes, restaurants, and boutique shops. 3. Walk through Wing
Baka merong
Way,
ganyan sa
Street,
ano?
Saigon's vibrant
Streets?
city center that comes to life at night with people, performers, and
Gutom.
Ito, dami.
Ay, ito. Kampo na.
Oh. Ito, parang gusto ko to.
Daming motorbike.
And then the waiter and the bamboo plant. That all.
Yes.
Okay.
Bigyan sa akin, hindi ko alam. Naka-aging.
Seasoning? Seasoning?
Seasoning. Tapos in-open ko pa to. Oh.
Bamboo root, that's what they call it. Bamboo shell. Bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot. Bamboo shell.
Kind of shell.
Galing ah.
Food stall here siya.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Last day, last breakfast. Hanap kami ng Vietnamese breakfast. Hindi. Vietnamese breakfast side. Kasi magko-coffee na tayo mamaya.
Yeah.
Coffee making.
Tama.
So, diba? Over sa coffee. So, mga walking distance. And then later, last full day in Vietnam.
Ito vlogger to.
Detail.
In 60 meters, take a right on Street Ton, that dam.
So, itatry namin Vietnamese bread. Ito lang. Ito. This is it. Go inside. Parang tourist, ano to? Kasi lahat nandito, no? Ito na ba yun? Norland, malapit sa hotel namin. So, kakain kami ng Vietnamese breakfast.
Isang bread lang.
I'll share.
Yeah, later. We might be heavy.
Pinag-uusapan nila tayo.
Oo, isa lang.
Parang sumosa pero different yung shape. Indian food. Masarap yung bread. I'll get abe. Thank you so much.
Patry nga. Tapos order na lang.
Kailangan na din ng sauce.
Which one?
Ano?
Parang payo lang.
Ano siya? Masarap pero bland ng konti.
Yeah. Halos lahat ng food nila dito bland.
Sarap kasi ang daming sauce.
No, we're just 2 hours also. Order mo. Isa pa. Parang pati. Ano? Kikiam. Inside.
Ha?
Kikiam.
Kikiam?
Sa loob.
In-order natin na maliit. You guys aren't getting milk? Coffee?
Order ka pa. Tignan muna natin ano yun. Tapos order.
Feeling ko isang set lang. Ano yan?
Ito yung pate. Ito yung meat. Ito, meatball.
Okay.
So, isasaw-saw mo siya dito.
Okay, go. Like a sandwich.
Puputol-putol, saw-saw. Okay.
Ano to, Liz?
Butter ata eh.
Milk.
Butter?
Thank you.
Hindi, may cheap.
Very French.
Inside.
Hindi ba ito yung pasta?
Pero very comfortable. So cute. Sarap, aligid.
Hindi ka. Kakape na tayo dun sa...
Kaya nga. Pero mag-trigger siya. Wala siyang security sa sarili niya. Safe for work.
Paano wala kong face ko? Paano ang work face ko?
Opo na lalaki. store. Yan lang, pang small and medium lang. Milu Dot Studio. Sa dulo siya ng third floor. Yan. See, ganda oh. Parang size. Nani Kaski?
Get new stuff. Coffee class. Yeah, coffee class. Yes. 3 people, 4. Yeah. 4 people. Yes.
Up.
Where's the
Here. Ayan.
yeah. First floor.
First.
One day, Katie bring his goat to the mountain to eat grass. But he noticed, after they are eating red berries from string bush, they are dancing wildly. Katie grew curious. You know, when the people they want to harvest the fruit, they need to see the color. And we have 4